How to add effects in VN Video Editor. Now in order to do this, just simply open VN application and after that simply create a new project or open an existing one where you want to add the effects. For example, I'm opening this draft. Now in here to add effects, you will get this effects button directly in here. Tap into effects to add the effect into your video. Now you can choose the basic, beats, glitch, RGB and many more effects or the effects to add into your video. For example, I am going to add this spin-in effect. As you can see here, after applying this effect, it will be applied to video. Just simply tap to check mark after this. Like this, you can easily add the effect, and as you can see here, it is into the effect in video. You can also customize the effects going to there, and you can apply this effect to all video, or if you want to select some specific part of the video, you can do that too. Now, I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.